Hello, Florida. This is Ipswich, Massachusetts again. We just survived another blizzard. We have over 5 feet of snow now here in Ipswich, Massachusetts. Houses are covered with icicles. Roofs have to be raked off because the snow is getting too high. The snow banks are getting so big. There's nowhere to put the snow. Ow! It's still fun to play in though. It's just hard to move in. The basketball court, the hoop is almost covered. The tree is almost covered. You can't even see the barn next to us. The dog, hey Shells, has a little trouble moving in all this snow. Let's see how she does when we throw one of her toys in the snow. Are you ready, Shelly? Go get it. Try to go, Shelly, go. She looks like a porpoise as she porpoises through the snow. Come on, Shelly. Get out of there. Come on, Shelly. Try to get out, Shells. Come on. Good job, Shells. It's not easy. We just finished the blizzard, so the winds are whipping still. The girls did make a fort. Quickly show them before my hands freeze off. The snowbanks are taller than they are. You have to cross through the tundra to get to the fort. It's nearly impossible to get to. But it's somewhere back here. There we go. This is where we come to hide and take a rest. It does have a tunnel, which is a little bit dangerous, but it goes way back in there. Anyone want to go in there? Oh, Megan's going to show you. All the way back. Yeah. All right. Good job. All right, Florida, we hope you're warm. We hope you're enjoying the sun. We know it's a little cold there, but we've got about negative temperatures here, so I think we win on the cold factor. All right, over and out. We miss you. Say hello to our favorite teacher and our favorite friend, Mrs. Coupland. Over and out.